spill range basically does what? Spill errors indicates that there is something in the way for the data to spill down. In this case, it's the data in cell C7. Basically, what this spill area shows that, let's say if you implement any formula or anything there, and already there is a data available in that particular range, so then at that moment it shows you the spill error. Like there are some numerical errors, like numerical errors will be showing, formula error will be showing, okay, value error would be showing. So that particular different error shows depending upon which type of error you are facing. Right now, short functions. So short functions basically helps you in arranging things. Like here, let's say I have this one, so I can do what? I can do short. I have selected area. Now short index, short order, and by column. So if you do have a very large area, then it's fine. Or else I'll be selecting this one in order, so ascending or descending. So obviously I'll be selecting ascending, and now sort by column or sort by row. So it will be sort by row. So now it has short you, like first it will be the alphabetical, that is consumer, then it is corporate, then it is home office, and then it is small business. Same if we'll be shorting it in the descending order. So first you'll get the small business, then it will be home, then it will be corporate, and then it will be consumer. So this is how this short particular method is used for shorting the data. After that, this is a sort by function. This is the description. Basically, from the description you can figure out that what you need to use and how you need to use. Okay, now this is the unique function. Unique function you use. So basically there are two ways. Even if you can see that, let's say in the first time what I did, I just copied this particular data, pasted it here. Okay, so there are two ways to figure out the unique data, the unique list. For that, first you need to use it in the data tab only. In the shorten filter, there is an option of advanced. Okay, there is an option of advanced filter. When you get an advanced filter, you have just copy to another section. You have selected the list. You don't need to select any criteria. Copy to, let's say this, within this column I need to copy, and you just select unique records only. In the data, like in the data tab, when you come to the shorten filter, so there is an option of advanced filter. Okay, from that advanced filter, what you will do, you just copy to another location, you select unique records only. So what you will get, you will get the unique records. Similarly, for that purpose, they are saying that for that you can use the unique formula as well. This unique formula, selected the area, and obviously return unique columns or rows. So obviously rows, and then return item that appears exactly once. Okay, so you have selected this one. Here you will get the customer segment. Why is it so? Just because the customer segment is only the one that is appearing in this particular whole range at once. Okay, that is why we have got the customer range. If we'll make changes here, like let's say in this particular thing, return every distinct item. So return every distinct item means within that particular range, whatever is distinct, like different from each other, so it will come up. So you will select this and then enter. So you'll get the complete list here. So basically what it is, so it is just another option of advanced filter. Okay, so you can use advanced filter or else you can use unique. Both are the same thing. After coming to the unique, there is an option of filter. So that filter you can use for implementing what you need to include or what you need to exclude. So depending upon that, okay, this filter is basically these formulas you won't be able to implement if you don't have MS Office 365. Okay, because you'll be able to use it in MS Office 365. Like here it is also said that it is only available in MS Office 365 and Excel 2021. Okay, in earlier option like 2019, 16 or 13, it is not supported, so you can't use these functions there.